आपको अगर you want to give a message to our young audience who will be in corporate or corporate people who wants to grow up, what advice you will give? How they will grow up in corporate? What they should do?
I think the first 10, 12 years of your corporate career where you have just joined, from the starting and till you are middle management is the time to learn. I always tell my team people, don't complain कि तुम्हें कितना बोनस मिला, कितना इंक्रीमेंट मिला, बट अगर तुमने 6 महीने में कुछ नई चीज़ नहीं सीखी, प्लीज कंप्लेन. How come nobody's taught you anything new? How come your profile has not been built? How come your skill set has not been built? How come you've not learned new competencies? That is a good reason to quit. But don't quit over like वो 10% ज़्यादा यहाँ मिल रहा है या 15% वहाँ या those are these things you will not even remember. Come on, if I ask you or myself, what did you earn in 2002? Will you remember? Obviously, we won't remember.
Recollect, then it would be peanuts.
Absolutely.
Compared to, yes.
But what did you learn that year? That is what is important.
उसमें एक ही problem होता है कि when you go and tell to the team कि 10 साल काम करो, so nowadays people feel कि you are asking too long a period and probably because we do not want them to grow or want to give that promotion or a increment or a salary, so you are telling 10 साल काम करो. But yeah, it's a foundation.
It is a foundation and life is a marathon यार. It's not a sprint. ये अभी तो आपको बहुत भागना है. What are you in a hurry? Life अभी बहुत है लंबी. So you need to play it out and actually when you play it out properly ना तो personal growth आती. नहीं तो personal growth आती नहीं है. पैसा आ जाता है. अब without personal growth पैसा आ गया, आपको पता ही नहीं उस पैसे का करना क्या है. The only thing you can imagine doing with it is going and blowing it up on some shopping. What we used to think is corporate, was a very different animal from what today is referred to as corporate. Because in our years, the golden era, there was a lot of focus on good culture. People used to be lifers, yaar. We used to spend our entire life in one company because it was seen as a good sign that you don't jump jobs every other day. I worked for 25 years. I've got 3 or 4 companies on my resume. अब तो वो 3-4 कंपनियां अब 4 साल में हो जाती हैं. So that way you're just opportunistically jumping, which was not the case at our time.
But then who is responsible for that? Organization or probably the generation or the employee who are working in organization?
I think it's a combination of many factors. The first thing is that people in senior management, they don't take out the time to develop and mentor the youngsters. It's something that should really come back. It's very, very important for managers. If you're responsible for somebody, you're not responsible for a P&L कि भी ये सब अपना टारगेट करेंगे तो मेरा टारगेट हो जाएगा. नहीं, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द पर्सनल ग्रोथ ऑफ दीज 10, 12, 20 पीपल हु आर रिपोर्टिंग टू यू. दैट इज योर जॉब. इफ यू डेवलप देम, नंबर पक्का होएगा.
But PL is an outcome of people and process.
And then again, to again talk about that increment in 2002 or the thing, जब आप इन बंदों को मिलोगे 10 साल बाद, आपको ये थोड़ा याद रहेगा यार इसने क्या टारगेट किया था, क्या नहीं किया था. But they will send you a message जब Teachers Day होता है, or they will send you a message saying, oh, today is Guru Purnima, I thought of you. That is your punji. That is what you earn over your lifetime. That memory and that association कि you had a positive impact on somebody's life. उससे ज़्यादा valuable चीज़ ही नहीं है कोई.